Aaliyah, what are you doing with my laundry? What are you doing, baby? She's like, Daddy, you're gonna need this, this, and this. She can't get that shirt up. Oh, she got it.
She's like, get this shit out of his face.
Help her a little bit because I think that's stuck in there probably. She goes like that. Oh, you threw that back in there. She's like, that clothes is like in there, so she won't be able to.
Okay, we're into the bottom now.
What are you doing? Aaliyah, what are you doing, huh? Aaliyah, what are you doing? Aaliyah, what are you doing, girl? Alright, let's go. Let's go.